Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by verifying essentials so you don't waste time. First, confirm the file container and codec, MP4 with H. 264 is safest because Drive transcodes that most reliably. Next, make sure the file size fits your method. If it's over 5 GB, use Drive for desktop or split the file. Also check your network. A flaky Wi-Fi often stalls processing. Once done, re-upload a small sample clip to test whether Drive will start processing immediately. Now tackle the middle steps that actually change the file. If you uploaded via browser and processing lags, switch to Drive for desktop so the sync finishes cleanly. This avoids incomplete uploads. If codecs are non-standard, transcode to H. 264 and awk. That reduces Drive's transcoding work and often forces processing to complete. For control, re-encode with Handbrake or FFmpeg, export a short test clip, and upload that to confirm the pipeline is working correctly. Complete the task by confirming status and fixing UI glitches. Clear your browser cache or use an incognito window, then sign back into Drive so the interface refreshes processing state. Make sure you have enough storage space and correct ownership or sharing permissions, because processing can hang if Drive can't finalize the file. If it still shows processing, download the original, re-encode to a standard format, re-upload, and watch the activity pane. That usually resolves lingering stalls.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.